Hey, Bertha. We're back.
Hi, there.
Hi, Bertha. I forgot my phone.
I know. I kept it for you. Did you like the movie?
Yes, it was really funny. I laugh a lot.
What movie was it?
It was called Fool's School. It's a very nice theater upstairs. Yeah. It's very comfortable. And Fat ate a lot. The food there was really good.
Oh, excuse me. Hello. Okay, sure. See you soon. Bye, bye. That was my friend. She's coming soon.
Where is she now?
Upstairs.
Upstairs. We were just up the stair. The theater is upstairs. You know, I can't wait to go back snack bar there.
Here's my friend.
Mancy?
Hello, Fat. Hello, Bill. You know each other?
I've known Mancy for a long time. And I met Mancy just today.
You kidding? Mancy is my roommate. Yes, we're roommate.
What a coincidence.
Yes. What a coincidence.
Hey, we should all go out sometimes. It could be fun.
It sounds like a great idea.
Why don't we have dinner or something? Sounds great.
Okay. Sorry, not tonight. I'm too tired.
How about later in the week?
Perfect.
Thank you for watching channel Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.